Good morning, friends. Let's learn what happened while you are sleeping in the global market. The Indian stock market is expected to open in the green as trends on SGX Nifty indicate a positive opening for the index in India with a 35 points gain. The benchmark indices ended at a record closing high with the BSE Sensex surging 617.14 points or 1.22% to 51,348.77 on February 8, while the Nifty 50 jumped 191.50 points or 1.28% to 15,115.80. According to pivot charts, the key support levels for the Nifty are placed at 15,051.23, followed by 14,986.67. If the index moves up, the key resistance levels to watch out for are 15,170.13 and 15,224.47. Wall Street reached all-time closing highs on Monday as investor optimism was stoked by prospects of a speedier economic recovery from the global health crisis, driven by increased stimulus and an accelerated vaccine rollout. The Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 237.52 points, or 0.76%, to 31,385.76. The S&P 500 gained 28.76 points, or 0.74%, to 3,915.59, and the Nasdaq Composite added 131.35 points, or 0.95%, to 13,987.64. Now let's see Asian markets. Global stocks were poised to rise again on Tuesday in Asian trading after another record-setting day on Wall Street. Japan's Nikkei 225 futures rose 0.15%, A-mini futures for the S&P 500 rose 0.04% and Australian S&P US 200 futures rose 0.12% in early trading. On SGX Nifty, trends on SGX Nifty indicate a positive opening for the index in India with a 35 points gain. The Nifty futures were trading at 15,177 on the Singaporean Exchange around 7:30 hours IST. Oil climbs to 13-month highs. Oil prices edged up on Tuesday to their highest in 13 months as supply cuts by major producers and optimism over fuel demand recovery support energy markets. Brent crude futures for April gained 29 cents, or 0.5%, to $60.85 a barrel by 0246 GMT. US West Texas Intermediate Crude, WTI, for March was at $58.25 a barrel, up 28 cents, or 0.5%. FPS's holding in NSE-listed companies hit 5-year high in December quarter on the robust inflow. FPS's ownership in NSE-listed companies reached a 5-year high of 22.74% in December 2020 on the back of a huge net inflow of 1.42 lakh rupees crore by such investors in the third quarter. In comparison, the holding of foreign portfolio investors, FPIs, was at 21.51% in the quarter ending September 2020, according to PrimeInfoBase.com, an initiative of Prime Database Group. In terms of value, FPI's ownership reached an all-time high of 41.83 lakh rupees crore as of December 2020, up 29% from 32.47 lakh rupees crore in the preceding quarter, on account of the rally in equity markets. Index-linked insurance plans likely to make a comeback in India. Index-linked insurance products, ILIPs, in life insurance may soon make a comeback in India. An Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority of India, IRDAI, working group report said that ILIPs could be a good alternative to unit-linked insurance plans, ULIPs. In the initial phase, simple ILIPs with links to one index could be proposed. Once the industry stakeholders present their views on the working group report, IRDAI will bring out guidelines for this product category. Now let's see results today as per the exchange website. Tata Steel, Adani Ports and Special Economic Zone, Ares Agro, Aster DM Healthcare, BASF India, Burger Paints India, Burger King India, Central Bank of India, Chalet Hotels, Dhanlakshmi Bank, Endurance Technologies, Future Retail, GMDC, HCC, Hague, Indoco Remedies, Indian Overseas Bank, Jammu and Kashmir Bank, Lemon Tree Hotels, Max Financial Services, Mahanagar Gas, Muthoot Finance, Raymond, Sri Renuka Sugars, Spanna Spooty Financial, Torrent Power and VST Tillers Tractors are among 218 companies to announce their quarterly earnings on February 9. F&D data. Foreign institutional investors, FIIs, net bought shares worth 1,876.6 crore rupees, whereas domestic institutional investors, DIS, net sold shares worth 504.86 crore rupees in the Indian equity market on February 8, as per provisional data available on the NSE. 3 stocks under F&O ban on NSE, BHEL, Sun TV and SAIL are under the F&O ban for February 8 as we are in the initial days of February series. Securities in the ban period under the F&O segment include companies in which the security has crossed 95% of the market-wide position limit. Happy a profitable day. Stay tuned with